Hello there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Danny of Danny's Dreams. If this is your first time joining me, I'm glad you're here. And in front of you, you have stacks of cards. Wonder what these have in common? Well, I'll give you a quick hint. They all used stencils. This stack here has one of my favorite things to do with stencils, and that's to make clouds. And then this stack has other various stencils. And you may be wondering, why are you showing us this? Well, it's because I got to thinking about it, and I love using stencils. I'm actually surprised. I didn't think I used them very much until I started pulling out cards, and I saw that I really do use them quite a bit. So I thought I would start a new series here on my channel, Fun with Stencils. I haven't really worked out the details as to how many episodes I'm going to do, or videos I'm going to do or anything, but I just thought I would have fun with it, and we would explore different stencils, different techniques with stencils, different gels, different paste, inks, just have fun with stencils. I wanted to do a little intro so you could see some of the cards that I've made with stencils. Those were all the cloud cards. This one I embossed it in gold. Fun little snowflakes there. And oh, you know what? That's not a stencil. That's a stamp. Oops. There we go. That's a stencil. I really liked how that one turned out. Lots and lots of fun stencils. This is one technique that I hope to do more of. I did a stencil on pattern paper that I didn't particularly care for, and then I loved it. So I'm hoping to do more of that. This was a fun, I love how this came out. It's using this effect paste, Golden Dragon, by Prima Marketing, I believe. It was chunkier, but oh my goodness, can you see how gorgeous that turned out? This, I traced the stencil and then colored it. Stencil in the background. Again, just so many different things you can do with stencils. Lots of different colors. This was another paste. I believe this was actually this Nouveau. It looks yellow, but on here it turned out gold. This was a Rocky Road stencil, I think it was called, like for a street or whatever, but it made a neat pool for my little friend there. So yeah, those are lots of cards, and this is my box of stencils. I may have a problem, but that's okay. I like having this problem. So much creativity. I have old ones that I've had for years. Sorry about the reflection there. I guess tons and tons of stencils. A lot of them have never been used, so that's another reason for doing this fun series. Maybe I get to use them. I absolutely adore the stencils from Craft & Chemie, so I have tons and tons and tons of Craft & Chemie stencils. I guess there was a card that just went by that was rather loud. La La Land has some layering ones I thought would be fun. I got this pretty one from Sweet Sentiment. Miss Ink, I got that through Not Too Shabby shop. My friend Call Me Crafty Al designed a stencil through Not Too Shabby, which I can't wait to use that. And then my favorite cloud ones. There's still more cloud ones I want. So yeah, lots and lots of stencils, lots and lots of chances to have tons of fun. I have all kinds of, this is only some of them that I pulled out, pastes, and, glitter Twilight paste, and Glitz glitter gel, and the effect paste. This one is in Phoenix, and then that one I showed you was Golden Dragon, and the Nuvo Glacier Paste and Glimmer Paste. So all kinds of products, all kinds of stencils. So we are going to have fun with stencils. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notifications so you get notified when I do put up a new video about stencils, and tell your friends. And again, we're just going to have some fun. I look forward to it, and I hope to have my first actual video up within the next few days. So until then, go do something for yourself, get crafty, go crafty shopping, maybe buy some stencils, or just sit down, relax with your favorite beverage. Have a fabulous day.